In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layer masks. If you've ever wanted to hide parts of a layer without deleting anything, this is the clean, non-destructive way to do it. A layer mask lets you control what's visible on a layer by painting on a mask that sits alongside the layer so you can refine, adjust, and even change your mind at any time. Start by selecting the layer you want to edit. Look in the Layers panel and click the layer thumbnail so it's highlighted. This matters because the mask you add will attach to whatever layer is currently selected, and you want to be sure you're targeting the right content. Next, click the Add Raster Mask button in the Layers panel. You'll see a new white thumbnail appear next to your layer. Think of this mask as a visibility map. White areas show the layer, black areas hide it. Because it starts white, your layer is fully visible to begin with. Choose the Brush tool so you can paint on the mask. A soft, round brush is great for gentle blends, while a harder brush gives you crisp edges. Adjust the size as needed for the area you're working on, and consider lowering the opacity if you want subtle, gradual transitions instead of a harsh cut. Make sure the mask thumbnail, not the image thumbnail, is selected. You'll know it's active when it has a highlight border. Paint black on the mask to hide parts of the layer. Set your foreground color to black, then brush over the areas you want to conceal. You'll see those parts fade away, revealing whatever is underneath. If you only want partial transparency, use a lower brush opacity or paint with shades of gray for a more nuanced blend. Zoom in for precision around edges and switch to a smaller brush for detailed spots. To bring areas back, paint white on the mask. Switch your foreground color to white and brush over any spots you want to reveal again. This is the beauty of masks. You're never permanently erasing pixels, just toggling visibility. If you're switching back and forth a lot, keep an eye on your colors and brush settings so your transitions stay smooth and consistent. That's the core workflow. Select the right layer, add a raster mask, grab the brush tool, paint black to hide, and paint white to reveal. With a little practice, you'll get clean, professional results while keeping your edits completely reversible.